Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression 7 minus 7 times 7 plus 7. Are you ready to solve this? Let's go and solve this. 7 minus 7 is 0, 0 times 7 is 0, 0 plus 7 is again 7. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operation, multiplication has to be done firstly before the subtraction and addition. So we have to firstly do 7 times 7, which gives us 49. Then from left to right, 7 minus 49 giving us negative 42. Then plus 7 finally gives us negative 35. So the correct answer is negative 35.